Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super important housekeeping task in Mailchimp, how and why to archive unsubscribed contacts. If you use Mailchimp for your emails, this tip can actually save you money. Keep your audience lists tidy, boost your deliverability rates, and make sure you stay on the right side of email marketing laws. By the end of this video, you'll know not just how to archive unsubscribed contacts step by step, but also why it's a smart move for your long-term email strategy. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Mailchimp and log into your account. Pretty straightforward, but make sure you log into the right workspace if you have more than one. Once you're in, look for the Audience tab on the dashboard. This is the home for all your contact lists, the people you're reaching out to, whether they're actively subscribed or not. Next, click to select your audience. Think of each audience like a big group of your contacts, maybe separated by business, campaign, or target group. Choose the one where you want to archive those unsubscribed folks. This part is really key because archiving removes contacts from your active list, but it doesn't permanently delete them. That means you're cleaning things up, but you're not burning any bridges. Once you've selected your audience, look for the Manage Contacts dropdown or Settings menu, depending on your Mailchimp layout, and select Archive. Now you'll see a prompt to confirm you want to archive these contacts. At this stage, Mailchimp will ask you to type the word archive in all capital letters. It might sound a little dramatic, but it's their way of making sure you're intentionally taking this step and not just clicking through by accident. Go ahead and type archive, then click the archive button to finalize it. This might take a few moments to process, especially if you're working with a large list, so don't worry if it takes a bit longer. Now let's talk about why archiving those unsubscribed contacts is so important. First off, Mailchimp actually charges you based on your total audience size, and that includes subscribed, unsubscribed, and even non-subscribed contacts. So if you leave a bunch of unsubscribed people in your list, you're basically paying for people who don't even want your emails anymore. Archiving them is a quick way to trim those costs. Think of it like clearing out a storage unit you're no longer using so you're not paying rent for empty space. But it's not just about cost. Keeping your list clean by archiving means less clutter. A tidy audience makes it way easier to manage your current subscribers, create smart segments, and roll out targeted campaigns. Imagine trying to find a specific person in a messy, overstuffed address book. It's a headache. Archiving helps keep your audience streamlined and up to date. There's another big benefit: deliverability. In the email world, if you keep emailing people who don't want your messages, that can actually hurt your sender reputation and make it more likely your emails end up in the spam folder for everyone. By archiving, you're making sure you're only targeting folks who actually want to hear from you. Let's not forget about legal compliance. For those of us subject to GDPR or CAN-SPAM, you absolutely have to respect unsubscribe requests. Archiving those contacts is another layer of protection, making sure you don't accidentally email someone who's opted out. That helps you avoid potential fines or headaches down the road. Last but not least, archiving is safer than deleting contacts outright. You're not wiping out all their history. If down the line someone decides to resubscribe, you can easily restore their profile, including all the data you've collected so far. It's a little like putting their information in a vault, just in case you need it again later. So to sum up, archiving unsubscribed contacts in Mailchimp is a smart move for your wallet, your audience's cleanliness, your deliverability rates, and even your legal peace of mind. Plus, it keeps the door open for future reactivation. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and drop any questions or thoughts down in the comments. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.